It's the biggest animal ever to have existed on our planet. The blue whale. Found in oceans across the globe, this giant measures more than 100 feet long and weighs a staggering 200 tons. A blue whale would dwarf even the largest dinosaur. Its tail alone is the width of a small airplane's wings. It's so vast that a person could swim down its blood vessels to a heart that's the size of a car. There's no bone strong enough to support the bulk of the blue whale. An animal this big simply couldn't exist anywhere except in the water. And not only is it the largest creature to have ever existed on our planet, it's also the loudest. Blue whales live solitary lives in the vastness of the world's open oceans. And to keep in touch with friends and family, they have evolved calls that carry over huge distances. They use low-frequency rumbles, sounds louder than a jumbo jet takeoff, up to 200 decibels. But don't cover your ears, because although it's loud, this low-pitched sound is way below human hearing. These sounds can travel over 500 miles, and it's thought that these ultra-loud calls are used to keep scattered whale herds in contact over the length of entire oceans.